So a simple tip if you want to eat healthier is find foods that you already enjoy and what ways can you make them healthier. So like if you like pizza, like we do pizza, I make my own crust. We do thin crust with loaded with a lot of veggies. So you don't have to so much take out the foods you enjoy, but what is a small step you can do? And even before I started doing plant-based, my husband and we had already started making small changes. Maybe we were doing ground chicken instead of ground beef or ground turkey. So we had already started making changes in our diet, but it was something simple until we just full blown went plant based. But you can make small changes no matter where you are now. Substitute the fries for a salad sometimes. Make your own fries. They don't have to be deep fried. They can be cut up and put in the air fryer. Sounds simple, but it's still something that can lead to great benefit for you based on how you're eating. Substitute that sugary drink for some water. It's simple. It sounds very simple, but those simple things are things we have to do and just be consistent with, and you will see changes over time. So this is I just want to get on just to share small steps, because my motto is always small steps equals the big change. What step can you take toward healthier living? Because it's everybody's goal, but a lot of times we stop before we get there and just need a little nudge or a little push. So make those simple changes every week. Think of something you can do. Maybe you don't eat veggies. What ways can you add vegetables to your diet each day? Work on that for 1 week. It may be adding spinach to your sandwiches. It may be doing smoothies, adding veggies to smoothies, spinach, kale, and that's the way you're getting it in. It's okay. Start where you are. Start where you can start. So I just want to get on and just to share some simple tips for you, just to help you on through your week, through your journey, and always remember small steps equals to big change. What steps are you going to take today?